Are you currently facing challenges in the process of creating distinctive and visually appealing logos for your business? If you find yourself struggling and lacking inspiration, then this video might be the solution you've been looking for. Take the time to watch it until the end, and you might gain valuable insights into how I effortlessly generate beautiful logos within seconds using AI. Furthermore, you can potentially turn this skill into a source of income online by creating logos for others. Before diving into the video, I recommend closely observing the examples displayed on the screen, showcasing logos that I've created for my clients using AI. These comprehensive logos are the result of artificial intelligence in action. If you're interested in exploring this creative process, watch the entire video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so and show your support by giving it a like. Your engagement motivates us to produce more content related to AI. Additionally, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's commence with the tutorial. Open your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but feel free to use your preferred browser. Type Microsoft Bing into the search bar and navigate to the Bing website. Click on Images, Create, then go to Join, and if you're new, create a new account. Otherwise, log in if you already have an account. Once you're on the Create page, follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Copy the provided prompt from my channel description, or, if unable to do so, visit my website through the link in the description where you can find the prompt. Paste the prompt into the search bar, and an essential note: modify the brand name as demonstrated, and adjust the logo type as per your preferences. Click on Create and wait a few seconds for your logo to be generated. If you're not satisfied, you can always change and rewrite the prompt and try again. After successfully creating your logo, if you notice any mistakes in the brand name, I have a solution for you. Open a new tab and type Canva, then open the Canva website. Select the Instagram page size or your preferred size, go to Elements, add the desired element, click on Upload, and upload your logo from Downloads. Click on Edit Photo, then use the Magic Eraser tool to remove unwanted text. Add your text or brand name, adjust it according to your preference. Choose your desired font and click on Download with the selected image size. If you plan to upload the logo on YouTube, use the default settings for image size and download. I hope you find this video helpful and learned something new. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to my channel for more content.